Hello dear friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am back with another great video. Be sure to watch video until the end, it will be really useful and helpful. Crypto cards are no longer just a feature, they have become use case in themselves. Today we will taking a detailed look at the DogPay project, which stand out with its crypto cards operating with more than 100 plus countries. We will start the video especially with the cards, then we will look at all the payment and financial infrastructure offered by DogPay. Let's look first. Cards DogPay's most notable product is virtual and physical crypto cards. General features of the cards: Visa MasterCard infrastructure, POS and ATM support in 100 plus countries, convert crypto balance to daily spending, compatible with online and physical shopping. Thanks to these cards, crypto keys to be merely and assets held on exchanges. It is really very nice. Let's look virtual card. Here we can see virtual card and uh, physical cards. Really great features. Virtual card. Virtual card can be created instantly after account opening. Use it for online shopping and subscriptions. Apple Pay, Google Pay integration, ideal for digital services and advertising payments. Virtual cards provide significant conversions, especially for freelancer and online workers. It is really very nice. Physical card payment at store, post devices, cash withdrawal from ATMs, domestic and international use, a practical solution for travelers. It is really very nice. Physical cards are a way to bring cryptocurrency directly into real lives. It is really very nice. Here you can see all features. Link your card to Apple Pay or Google Pay for a first payments. It is really nice. How does crypto payment work? The payment process is quite simple for the user. The card balance is loaded with USDT or similar cryptocurrency. At the time of payment, the cryptocurrency is automatically converted to fiat currency. The transaction is completed like a normal card payment. In other words, the user can spend their cryptocurrency without any extra steps. It is really very nice. So how you can get this card? First you need to register. Click get started. First you need to create account. Click on sign up. Write your email address. Verify your email address. Write your password and verify password. Click I have agree and click on register. Still completed. You can also download application on Google Play and App Store. Application will log in with our account. First you need to make KYC verification. It is take maximum 2 minutes. I already verified my account. Now we can easily apply card. Click on card sections. Here we can see budget card or prepaid card, which you want. You can easily apply. Click on apply now. Here we can see virtual card and physical card. Let's look virtual card. Here we can see card fee. Let's look features, support services. We can pay on Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, WeChat. Here we can see all features. It is really very nice. Here we can see others cards. Yes, sir, France, which you want, you can choose and click create. Click on pay now and we will get our virtual card. It is really very nice. Also for these sections you can
create your physical cards. It is really very nice. Also, here you can see your bank sections from application. You can open your account now. Also, you can invite your friends. You can earn more commissions. Yes, dear friends.
Yes, dear friends, here you can see why choose DogPay. You can see all features. Also, here you can see certificates. It is really very nice. You can see trusted by innovators. The way DogPay works, you can see AI subscriptions, payments, cross-border commerce, SaaS Web3 applications, personal finance, global bank account, plus card-linked usage, business accounts. It is really very perfect. DocPay is not just card project. It is global payment and finance platform. It bridges the gap between crypto and fiat. It offers solutions for individual and corporate users. It integrates Web3 with traditional finance. Cards are the most visible part of this ecosystem, but this more it's than the, hey, you can see all products if you're interested. This for next video we will talk about personal digital bank, really very big features on DogPay. It is really great. What's a DogPay bank? iBank DogPay. iBank provides global users with personal USDT account powered by Zenus Bank. In short, personal accounts in USDT and other currencies, keeping crypto and fiat balances in the same application. Global currency sending and receiving capabilities. It is really very nice. Here you can see all products. Let me give a brief summary of the other product as well. Business accounts. Special accounts for companies and teams, multiple users and experience management, corporate payment and financial trading. Pay as service PaaS, crypto payments infrastructure for websites and applications, integration with e-commerce and Web3 projects, adapting payments with stable coins. It is really very nice. Voice DocPay stable for this will want to use crypto in their life. This will make international purchase, freelancers and remote workers, online service and subscriptions users, businesses and Web3 projects. It is really very nice project. Thank you for watching, dear friends. In this all for this video. See our next videos. If you have any questions, please ask me on comment sections. I will help you. Thank you for watching.